Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my live stream, guys. And I talk about this, guys, uh, new project. So, guys, how are you? So, get Launchpool project, guys. In this right now, guys, I review and this talking about this right now. Get Launchpool project, guys, and this um, AVNT and the stake of the USD or AVNT claim and airdrop, guys. I review now and project review, guys. This is the new project review, guys. So, guys, airdrop details and staking fiat and September 12 and 2025 at 3 o'clock UTC and September and 24 and 2025 at 3 o'clock UTC, guys. This is the airdrop details, guys. So total staking reward, guys, um, 7,50,000 of the ABNT, guys. So I talk about this, guys. This is the staking and this pool and these guys uh, stake earn now, guys. So I talk about, guys, unlock method, unlock this 100%, guys. So get launch pool allow user to stake in advance. You can stake you asset and this before of the official launch of the project to ensure and you start earning reward as soon and mining begin, guys. So reward distribution and, guys, and the system will distribute and this token reward to user sport and account on your hourly of the base and the base of this one of the uh, flotation of this asset of this stake. They have the stake, guys. So get launch full how to participate and long uh, to the gate of this account and complete identity verification, guys. So the negative of to launch pool, I talk about hold at least 0.5 0.05 ZUSD and 1 ABNT click stake, guys. So mint of the ZUSD and the get of the staking ZUSD and the deposit and this get.com and this account of the deposit ZUSD state of the ZUSD and this market of this get.com trade USDT. So the exclusive staking of the limit and privilege and the for of the BAF user, guys. So BAF 5 and above user enjoy exclusive stake and the limit when of the participating in launch pool with of the 0 up to 500% staking limit bonus, guys. So this is the staking limit bonus and this BAF level, guys, 0 to BAF level 4 and GUSD full at the maximum staking amount per user, guys, 5 lakh USD and BAF 5 guys and this 7 lakh 5,000 almost, guys, 7,05,000 USD plus 50%. And this BFE6 almost 10 lakh, guys, USD and this 100%. So BFE7 and this almost 30 lakhs USD plus 1.60% plus. So BFE8 70 lakh, guys, and BFE9 is 22 lakh guys, 50,000 USD, and BFE 10 to BFE 16 guys, and this 30 lakh guys GUSD, and this 500% guys. So the guys positive information I talk about guys, and mm, Adventist is the largest and this data tip and this exchange on base, but also the largest and DXN for of the trading and market making real world asset or WAS guys. So the we have and built and the a universal average layer on that and allow anyone from this anywhere to trade and market. That's matter of the most of them, and from to Bitcoin code and this Turkish lira or to US quit and this indicate and with on demand and liquidity. um Capital efficiency truly and the limit and this laborious fee and the uh, oppositionally and this and most of the important self custody and this awareness is built on back of by base and this organis and the leading institutional fund of the like partner and funder fund of this right now. So the I talk get lab investment and disclosure and this did of this not of the invest guys in a business ABNT. So note guys, so I explaining right now guys. So get Launchpool is innovate and is taking airdrop platform where user and can earn to hourly airdrop and trading and newly listed token by stake of the ZT and BTC, Ethereum, USD, ZUSD, and or other token with a low NT and this bearing and this high and APR. So is it is easy and to capture market and opportunity guys. Please complete identification and this before the participate in launch pool and to enhance and the security fuel account and asset guys. So please follow the reblend and the rules of the event and this participating any cheating and the behavior and this prohibit and which and will result and this disqualification of the reward guys. So in case of the description and this between and trade translate and the original English version and this guys the English version shell of the freeware. So get reserve all right in this final explanation guys. So this is event is not of the affected and the applicate and this with FLENC INC. So user is the United Kingdom and this other district location guys and cannot access the service include the participate in the event and the game or competition. So the see the use agreement and for and the detailed district and location guys. So I talk about this guest user agreement and wait. So risk warning guys, I talk about guys and this as a blockchain and startup still in it. It is the early phase stage and the project may involve and the significant of the risks and various aspects and this include and the operation and the underlying technology and the legal and the regularity and the environment guys. So understanding blockchain and a startup is the accessing is there of the interest risks and the require advanced and technical and this financial knowledge and due to inflation of the form of the technology and this regulation regularity and the framework and mark of the condition and on the factor and the project and this participate in may of the experience of the significance of this price of the relative width of the price and the potential and the rise of the falling and the sharp guys. So due to issue and the relate and to the understanding underlying of the technology on the project or gate of the trading platform, you may be and reasonable withdraw all part of the rest of this from the project, guys. So cryptocurrency project is the high risk by nature, and and cryptocurrency price of the highly valued, guys. So the project team does not provide any and this of the margin and price of the commitment and or downside protection. Please ensure you fully understand and the risks and capable and being to them before participating, and will the party platform is strongly guys warms and this of the potential risks, and this it cannot as well and liability for any investment and discussion of or provide and any guarantees or your competition, guys. So guys, the project information I in this visit this official website and the advantage, guys. So the global market and the limitless leverage, guys. So built and backed by base, guys. So the trade crypto, forex, metal and commodities and the indicates and the states of the your wallet, guys. So guys, event ABNT and the fueling universal leverage, guys. So I talk about, guys, ABNT is the is the native unity and this governance and the token of the ABNTs and base largest and the detective and this exchange for RWS and this crypto asset, its power of the protocol initiative and trade and the reward and this community and the driven of the development, guys. So user who and the intent and with the awareness and the platform and partner protocol will be eligible for a 1 day airdrop, guys. So go to foundation and go to token, guys, and one exchange infinity is targets, guys. So maximum you alpha and fair to crypto leverage and with and this uncorrelate and this real world asset will relating and the custody of you and correlate, guys. Colder, guys. So guys, the metal X crypto, guys. So metal like of the gold XAU and of obtain of the return and this on in case of their value and the during time of the market and to balance of the or economy and uncertainly, guys. So guys, XAU USD and asset, guys, 6 month and the return this person 1 year and the return BTC USDT 2.92% guys return, and this 1 year 149.35% return, guys. This is the asset. So I talk about these guys and escapable levels of the everyone and this evidence of the days. So, trader, guys. So, loss of the protection and trade with and confidence of the get up to 20% rebate on you lose, and when you're going to against and popular and the sentiment and use the rebate to trade and the dictionary or create or the unique and this arbitrary and this string, guys. And the trader positive and sleeper, guys. So sleepers and this trade are reward with positive and sleepers when that they help and balance open interest and the helping and operate and the price of the better the market price, guys. So guys, liquidity provider optimize and for of the LPS, guys. So our and dynamic risk engine and optimize LP return across all market and the condition. Our LPS have the already and are to $1 million USDC fees, guys. Liquidity provider, guys. So built for every type of the LC, evidence of download a new design space and for the LPS by our unique time and risk and the permanent and choose to be on the lowest and or highest and this end of the risk and this spectrum of the best on your view the market, guys, view of the market. So built with evidence of the SDK, the forward you platform and with Adventist and this SDK and the seamlessly and access real-time price of the feed and this execute and the fast of the trade and this manage and the position empowering of the build and the trade of the compete the edge, guys. So, trusted by best and this power of this by partner and this partner base and this guys partner of the galaxy, partner of the modular capital and the partner of the Pentara, partner of the founders of the fund and partner of the base guys. So the partner of the coffin and this is the partner trusted guys. So. Uh, this is the love bite community, guys, and this comment now another and this evidence of the greatest of this token, guys. So I talk about these guys explaining right now. The advantage of the foundation, guys, and this built of the trades and this governed of this by believers and the power by the community, guys. So this is the live claim airdrop and stake event, guys. So the Bishon, guys, the token of the Bishon, guys, I explaining right now, guys. So the Adventist Foundation is an independent entity and focus on you grow and this sustaining the advantage of the ecosystem, its exit or champion and the universal leverage, guys, across all global asset, all market effects and the crypto equities and the metal and more and by funding and development and enabling and this governments and supporting and contributes and around the world, guys. So we believe and the future of the finance would not be dedicated and behind the closed and door and it will be shaped in the open by the user builder and the trade who actually use the protocol, guys. So we are building and the universal leverage layer and this everything are you have a stake in, guys. So value, guys. So distribute governments and the community by an ABNT and the fund of the research development and this integration and this launch of the community and grant of this inactive and this program, guys. So the promote and this overall health and this ABNT ecosystem, guys. So AB this by the number, guys. And this guys 22.9 billion total trading volume and total value log, guys, 90 million plus and this uh, deep active market on share of the base 75% and the total user, guys, 65k plus and this integrate wallet of this partner 25, guys. So ABNT and the token is a token with and the purpose and protocol with a future guys. AVNT is the best and native token that's and concept every part of the Aventis and this ecosystem is the total empower of you shape and what of the come and next and this reward for the those and who help and build it guys. So the AVNT the token is the design for the long and the term of the element and this holding A, B, and T in the mean, and you are not of the just betting and one event is you are building it guys. So learn about these guys and this A, B, and T token staking guys. Stake of the ABNT in the security and module to support and the protocol health and this earn to share and ABNT of ABNT reward guys share. So governance guys propose and both key and decision and firm and the product and the update and treasury and the spend and buyback and the coming soon guys. So in city guys the get reward in ABNT and the for trading and for providing and liquidity for participate in growth and the inactivities. So foundation and grant of this apply and for of the funding and build and this recharger of the community and this contributor guys. So built with Aventis SDK guys. The power use platform with advantage of the SDK and seamlessly access the real-time of price of the feed executive cost of this margin of the position and empowering of the build and trade for of the competitive and edge guys. So take a look and at some of the powerful use case and the protocol and build and using the Aventis SDK and there are of the several more and these pipeline guys. So guys, the market making of the key rock guys. So key rock is the major institutional market and the maker and the laborers Aventis the SDK for the balancing market and the Sheku and this and arbitrating or unique loose and protection of the mechanism. So AI agent and banker is a to text to trade AI agent and integrate and the directly on Twitter and that execute and export and uh, pre-portal and trade of four of the WS and across all you social channel guys. So go to banker, go to Kiro guys. I talk about this guys, this Telegram bot and this narrative trade guys. So forex and full X guys. So narrative is a social and this first of the Telegram and this trading bot and powered by Advantage and that's lets you open and close and this manage and RWA and the crypto and capital are the position and instantly guys. So forex and the full X. So is the MT5 and forex of the terminal and on eventies and the lets and you long and short global and currency face with precision and this speed with and charting and tools and the familiar to million two of the FX and the trader and coming soon guys. So guys, introducing of the event and this I talk about this guys. This ticker for of the universal leverage layer guys. So and this is the claim and this airdrop and this live stake guys. about Aventis guys. So Aventis is a fully on-chain and high-performance exchange and offering cross-asset leverage crypto on crypto forex and metal and equities and these other real-world assets with over 222.9 billion and uh, cumulative active gas trading volume and 65 plus of the user and backing by partner and the capital founder fund and Coinbase and Binance is built and the universal leverage layer for the everything guys. So the token information token name and this token symbol and the total supply and this meet of the trade data and this trading live guys. So core unity guys unity and the ABN event and this event is the Adventist guys. Adventist unity sorry guys event is the Adventist is the unity token stake secure liquidity and providers and the during and validity and earn to event and reward XP boost and trading fee discount guys governance. So all token hold and can vote and key change of the protocol expression and to the new chair and enchantment to the leverage trading and this AMM and the fee and the new asset addition and the development of the new product list and this native of the market and the governments will live soon guys. So community and the reward and this portion of for the event will be set as a set of for you community of the active entity and the refers LPS and the builders and influencer. A majority and 50% of all AVNT token is the reserve for our community guys. So guys, the token allocation and unlock schedule guys. So category are the one allocation and this 12.5% unlock and visiting fully unlock at the TZ my Telegram guys. So uh, reverse fall all protocol active and form of the February 2025 cross of this S1 and S2 as well community and contributes the entire of the airdrop will and claim ball on of the day and one telegram and this note of the will and release and much more and detailed article on the airdrop eligibility and this critical allegation and snapshot data and the telegram is taking boost and next week guys. So on chain inactive guys. When, sorry guys, incentive and this 28.6% and the 0 point telegram unlock and besting at the in nearly and over to 40 month guys. So the whaling and future season and this reserve exclusively and for on-chain action and this liquidity trading and the referral and community and contribute and the top boys and protocol and contributes bug and this bunch guys. So build and the ecosystem and gains guys. 9% and the 0% the telegram unlock and visiting and the linearly and the over to 24 month guys. So fueling is the multi and the front end of the vision is the full and back the builders and this ecosystem and partner and creating and the several found content and apps and using and this Aventis and SDK and the Telegram bot and the gameplay of the training of the AI agent etc. So we already have the several partner being and this vision live of the search guys. Bank banker bot and this ALSAI agent and the Flux and the MTX effects in the terminal and this narrative gas. So TED gas a social telegram bot on Advantage of the several powerful integration we are excited and to reveal and the coming week of and month guys. So team and this advisor and 32 30.3% and 12 month and clip of the thir 13 of this month of the liner of the visiting. So reverse offer of the core and the contributes and build and this apprentice and this is stick and this 12 month and this clip and this guys and the subsequent and this 30 month and this thing and schedule and this ensure and deep and long term and element and with protocol and success guys. So investor and 26.6% 12 month and clip and this 30 month in liner of the visiting guys allocated an hour and the earliest staging and partner who has supported us with we only had and this ideal without who Adventist would not be a primer and hub and four of the W and the GB tips and the third of the identical long term and this thing of the schedule and the reflect there and this commitment and to our vision and promote and this ecosystem stability. So this is the investor and this is the foundation 4% guys. 0 Telegram unlock and this visiting of the linearly and over to 12, 24 month and guys is changing of the treasury to fund of the long term product and the development and this of rational and need and future and this health. So liquidity reserve 6% and fully unlock ad of the TGE and global DX need a global token the liquidity and the rewards for the responsible for of the exchange and marketing and the DX liquidity and market and this making and this partnership that will ensure AVNT has the spare and this adoption and global reach and from the very first of the day guys. So total supply 100% guys. So why does ABN and the exit gas event ABNT is the unity and this government's token or the Adventist is exists to give your community ownership and discussion making power and incentives and the participation across and the ecosystem guys. So what can I do with ABNT? Take boat and earn to reward and participate in the growth of the Vintage protocol and with whether you are TED and the build or stages and the ABNT has the role for you as taking give an additional ABNT incentive and this discount for you profit sharing on our zero fee and pay for product and XP and boost on all chain activity guys. So how to about and else to on Odis on Aventis. So security is a top priority at of the Aventis and this ABNT has been double and authority by top and auditors and like of the Gilik and Helbron. We will be adding and or educate and the reporter Harsun guys. So who's eligible for the airdrop. Eligibility include an user who trade for the provide liquidity on the Binance and the directly or by and partner protocol active and this refer and the well chain and this work on our ecosystem partner more details and eligibility and PTRs and the exact ABNT allocation or coming of the soon guys so well and there be more and way to earn to AD&T. Yes, you need camping liquidity program and contributor and in incubatives and will continue to roll out and the best of the stay informed of this event is by and this event is FD and on X. So learn about this event token. So this is the view source and I talk about so guys introduction guys and this welcome to the Adventist and trade of the SDK and powerful and tool and design and intake with the Adventist guys. So decentralized exchange DX and the leverage its advanced and future for trading and mark and the making in the cryptocurrency forex and the commodities. So about vintage guys. So I talk about these guys in this right now guys and this about of the vintage and this event vintage is the is at the for foreign and the decentralized of the decentralized leverage trading and platform offering user and ability to take up the long or short position and synthetic crypto and forex and commodities and using and to use financial instrument and that provide leverage without an experiment data with synthetic and leverage and USDCS stablecoin liquidity pool and eventic and the achieve and high capital and efficiency and enabling Givers and the selection trade and the asset of the leverage and up to 100 exits. So the platform also introduce of the fine of the gint of the risk management for of the liquidity providers and LPS the throat and the time of the risk permanent and the innovation of the allow and any LP become and shop secret market and the maker of the wheat and range and directive staking with faithful rural guys. So read more Aventus and this doc of the Aventus.com. So I talk about this guys for purpose of the Aventus trade of this SDK. So the Aventus and the trade SDK is the design and this simplify and this enhance and the experience and in integrating with the Aventis and DX and the provides and the developer and the trade with of the set of the tools too guys. So access the real time and the price of the trade for the support and this trading fair and the tips and this analyze key and farm matters for the set and category and trade as change and interrogate and the live price update into the application and to trading and algorithm guys. So executive trade and this manage position and advantage of the platform and this whatever you are the developer building and the decentralized finance and the DeFi application as of the trade seeking to automate and use trading and or our market and the looking optimize your optimization the events and this state of the SDK or offer the functionation you need and to Success, guys. So in the rapidly evolving and the world of the decentralized and trading, guys. So this is the advantage and trick I introduce and then getting a string configuration. This is the configuration, guys. An example. These like you can find out the particular example and this sample code and using event test and the state of the SDK and the GitHub and the responsibility and that's example design and this help you get started quick and guys explore and the capability for the SDK. So browser example of the GitHub guys, previous and this of data operation and this data guys. So guys, and this event and the token airdrop guys, and this you may and eligible for airdrop. You are the eventers and this trading XP and this event of the LP and liquidity XP and this all chain and the quark and this engage with your eventers ecosystem partner and check your eligibility guys. And this is the guys recommended wallet and this you connect the wallet and this airdrop. So the staking guys, Advantage security module guys, and check the eligibility stake and this and the event or to the Advantage and the secure module and to earn to yield and benefit guys. So guys, the event is the secure module as the in mechanism and the design protocol and the LP against and measure and shortfall event guys. So event is the token and holder and can the option in by staking there of the token is SM in the return the protocol reward and build accept and but of the exchange and sharing in the module the activate to the cover the loose guys. So it's taking a fiat 12.35% and max of the shilling and the total stake guys. This stake and this unstake and this max your amount and this is the logging to stake and logging to claim guys. So easily guys. Get this is the build and this I talk about this guys already. So Aventis and this and this website, Twitter, Discord, and the layer global asset guys and the this is the so mission Aventis is one on a mission and build product and that's unique and this combined crypto and global asset on Dex guys. So we are active and enchanted and this by enabling them and to express of the global macro view and this Coinbase with the power on chain narrative guys. So this is the mission and this we envision a world where leverage and can and be meaningfully used to trade and the market and the market maker not just of the crypto but real world assets sport of the prediction and the market and much more and that's what we are building and one DX infinity possibility guys. So this is the introduction and this I talk about this guys in this video and this I explaining of the project guys. So, guys, introduction. Advantage protocol and the advanced and the on-chain exchange for the cross asset and the leverage where user can long and short and synthetic crypto forex and commodities and provide and liquidity to power and trading on this market and the synthetic leverage and combined with USDC and stablecoin LP makers and the event is very capital and this efficient, allowing for the wide and selection and for the portrait enable an asset and high leverage and up to 500x. We are also unlocking find and gain of the risk management hour and LPS by time and risk pharma parameters. So allowing to any LP to be an shop ticket and the market and for the labor estate and the building and this composable and protocol on top and this our leverage engine guys. So Aventis and the winner and the several innovation and mechanism that don't and exit and elsewhere and in DeFi. So loss of the rebates and the rebate and on any loose and for and created and that's help and balance and that platform open and this interest and stake and this positive CFS and is better than and making and this and trade and the price of the debt and that and balance and open interest and this too and the W and the excess state and the Japanese yen and the gold Bitcoin and much more and criminal. So zero fee and the leverage pay on only you profit and popular among in scalp and the short time and frame on the trader guys. So advanced risks and management for a liquidity and providers and the LPS can have the deposit and this USDC and passively and or turn into active market maker by choosing a risk and the touch and the and dedicating their time clock guys. So team guys. So the Advantage protocol and created by is the Advantage of the foundation and who contact and several service and the providers as of its and developer and several members and the contribute to development of the Advantage of the protocol including but web crypto native and individuals and with experience and engineering, investment banking, and consular and VC and the private equality and this initiative and the design product and design back and this front of the engine and the competitive and this contribute team and this over 12 years and the experience in crypto guys. So AVNT token guys and this ticker for universal leverage. What of the AVNT guys? So AVNT is the connective tissue and this advantage and the ecosystem is unity and governance and is token design too and the elegant and the scale and the secure our vision and building DeFi universal and leverage there. So global and the asset belong on chain and integrates and the pointer and this movement event and this will catalyze it gas. So as the events and growth and events will improve protocol secure ensuring creative and this alignment and between protocol and stakeholder and this foster of the progressive and decentralized and this accountability guys. So this is the contact address ABNT and this the token details and this ABNT ticker or the ABNT and this cipher ERC20 and this chain of the base and this total supply fixed and token contract address base guys, and the token distribution and this. Right now, guys, I already explaining and talk about this, guys. So this is the airdrop and this check your eligibility, guys, and this claim your airdrop and this by November 8 and 2025. And foundation event this FI and this com and airdrop and trade of this event, guys, and um, event event is well available on Binance Future, Bybit, Spot Future, and Get Gate.io guys, Spot and Future, BitGet, Spot and Future, and Kraken of the Spot and DX Spot. So more exchange is coming. So I this is the Gate.io one of the best platform, please, and this is taking now, guys. So guys, and this is taking and the security module, guys. I talk about gas staking and security module and advantage of the secure module, guys. The advantage of the secure module SM is the mechanism designed to protect and the protocol LPS the against measure and the shortfall event, guys. So advantage and the token holder and can option buy stake there of the token and the SM in return, and they are earned to protocol reward XP boost and this fee the discount but of the expect and the theoretical risk and of the sharing in this module is the active and to cover to lose, guys. So reward and this active security module and stake and keep of the reward and this, guys. Yield even every stake and available September 9 and the zero fee preferred of the profit of the sharing trading fee discount XP boot is coming and coming soon, guys. So the AVNT stickers in the integral and to the safety of the protocol LPS in exchange, and they are the receipt and this ABNT reward and these stickers get additional and this ABNT for of the securing or to protocol. These will be available as of soon as the ABNT claim or go live, guys. So coming soon and over the coming and day and week and will be releasing following and this upgrade and to ABNT and so the XP boost and these guys in the season 3 and the only way to 18 and the boost of the accumulating and the XP by is by staking and the ABNT and the every event is user who is stake and the ABNT is already accumulating and the XP boost and season 3 and this XP boost and will be actively and replicate and chain of the season and 3D officially goes out the live on our UI and this XP will translate and this into the future airdrop will give in the high and the share of this AB and to the most loyal and staking get of the max boost and this of the 3x weighted by stake and duration guys. So fee discounted can stake AB and to get up 40% discount on both fixed of the fee and edge and jet F fee and the profit sharing prefers, guys. So this is to ensure maximum algorithm and between AB and with an awareness and the trading of the community, guys. So governance of the day and dedicated and the future of the value accrual of the event and the breaching of from the buyback and the burn of the expansion to new chain and the feed the economy and more, guys. So advantage liquidity providers and the effectively and the taking for option site and the trading active and the during extreme and the make market of the variety they are of the best situation which one oh I OI and often interest guys. So gets and the squid and the on way to for a short and this time and the market price of the action and goes one the way to and can use and cause infringement and lose of four of the LPS same and Dex pool event price of the drivers. So I feel if ILPS and the full capital out of the during and this timing they can realize this lose and event is a strong buffer to and safeguard and against and this of the type of the principal drawdown and the buffer of the itself built and the during normal and course of the trading activity by and trading fee guys. So slashing on activity activated if the bear bold and the buffer into the drop and 0.9% and this entire alpha loose and the release and the because and trade close up their trade guys. So i.e. a 5% immediate and loose of 2 LCS the maximum stake that can be held and slash it and this 20% stake ABNT. However, the story of the protocol guys. So max release and this sign of the share and this price of the drawdown and LPS and this only has been of this 30 BCS and 0.30% and since of this um, uh, since of this 2024 of August and this there have been and release LP loose of this C and this ATA share price and chart of the show and line of the growth without any and down of the IEO no release loser guys. So this is the daily share and this day and this talking about guys. So guys, this is mean and is the operating history of the protocol. There are has been no hypothetical slashing of the event and had even and been live and one day one of the minute and this we also have the healthy protocol and protocol teaser and which can be and used to fill to buffer it's also worth and the noting and that's the max and the slashing the pattern from parameter of the 20% the max and the stake token that can be slashed is 20% and to stake at most guys. So to summarize, and slashing is an extremely and low and probability event and reserved for low tail and event with to the when the protocol and teaser cannot cover large and the relays lose or to LPS. So overview guys next talk about. So overview and particle and introduction to AVNTs. So, what are and pivotal of the future, guys? So, the pivotal contract, also known as the pivotals, are you type of the derivatives and contract that allow entities and to speculate and on the price and this of the underlying and the asset such as the cryptocurrency without an uh, actual and this owing and the asset and this and the contract are recalled and the pivotal because they are do not have all the experimentation data and can be held on the indefinitely guys. So pivotal contract and differ of the from traditional future contract in the at they do not have the fixed and experimentation and data and do not require and trade to the physical and still and the contract at the future data and instead of the trade are you require to maintain the a margin and balance in there of the account and which they use and their position and shoot the able and to the meet and their financial and obligation under the contract. So trading platform and design and principles, guys. So our trading platform has been designed with two mm, parties and mind, guys. So traders with it and favor to crypto and the forex and commodities and this get up the 250x leverage on cryptocurrency and 100x to forex and commodities and this whole custody of your fund and the protocol never control your fund, guys. So we also offer native and wallet powered by account and abstraction and with is combine and the best of the user safety with the best in case of the DeFi detective of the UX. So competitive and the fee on every order and with several incentive for the traders who help and balance protocol IO as open interest. OI and the open interest and you unfavorable UI and UX experiments and this for all protocol interrogation, guys. So liquidity provider, guys. So I talk explaining right now. And about renewing and to become market maker and trades been against and that's trading full and that's LPS deposit into. So LPS the get access or organic and the yield and from trade and activity trading fee and trade loss and as of the opposite and to yield and base to on token and infusion for of the individuals staking and mechanism, guys. So LPS the gate fund gain the control over their risks and preference of the by dynamic risks and take care of the risks and management and is allowing them and experts of their unique and the view on the market and will begin of the passive LP, guys. So trade of the execution. So our trading and engine is built and in the way and that's of the Fortress LPS will giving state of the best experience and the DeFi and Circle and USDC, the stable coin LPS and the can deposit into the market and this value and the state of the stake leverage against in this LP buy and the position and color it in UDC and that's T of that just and this dynamical and this base of the asset class leverage and the state of the skew and this duration and this build and this unique and liquidation and mechanism and the protect user and this large of the loose and this system for automatically and adjust margin requirement and based and on market condition and platform and the supports and the various order type including market limit and spot orders. So this scholars investing in the USDC gold and is of the not risks and free and the risks of the innovate including a smart contract risks and losing money and the profitable trading or trades always invest in responsibility and reach out of the team and this for any question, guys. So great opportunity and the great trading. I talk about advantage and this positive view, guys. So guys, Collateral task of this task list of the execution USDC, the trade of foot of the USDC and the circle digital US dollar there of the collateral and of this trade of the LP as the invest USDC into the market making value and this US circle USDC as our stablecoin of the choice as it's one of the world and this largest stablecoin with proven and the shape of the take of this record and this stablecoin is available and several exchanges of the around and this world of the readily available and both optimized and best and it's is very easy and the trade of the swap and this there is a stablecoin USDC with our app within in our app and we did not want to create our own and stablecoin US less and the capital efficient and stablecoin like of the AI and user and variable regularity stablecoin like of the Tether guys. So great opportunity right now guys and this right now. Please is taking right now guys and this event this accurate oracle execution guys. So since the Advantage is an Oracle based and trading platform and this we always get of the most and this accurate and the trading price of this is the hourly asset and this on price of the discovery and that's happened in the platform of this guys price of this Oracle minimum risk of this low of this latency of the feed guys. So um,